Good morning, children. This video is for anyone who's working in the Pyramids group. Please make sure you do the start of TT Rockstars before we do today's learning. You need to do a minimum of 10 games, so please go do that now. Today's learning, children, we're going to be counting the sides and vertices on 2D shapes. So what we're going to talk about first is sides. Okay, and what I'd like you to do first, before we start doing this video, I want you to watch the video from the BBC Bite Size, and that's just going to recap what you did yesterday a little bit. It's the same video and help you with today's learning. There's also an additional resource at the end of the task sheet sent out to your parents, so please ask your parents to help you to access that, because that will help you with today's learning. So to begin with, we're going to look at sides. So which shapes have 3 sides? So we're going to say we've got a side is from one point to another point. So this is our side. So this has got 1, 2, 3. So that A has 3 sides. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that hasn't. It's always good to make sure you start at a starting point, so you know you're not counting more than there was. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that has 8. And we've got starting point here, 1, 2, 3. So these 2 shapes have 3 sides, and these shapes are called, now if you look at your sheet, your additional resource and the video, you'll know that these shapes are called triangles. The key part is the word tri. Tri means 3. So if you have a tricycle, that's a bike with 3 wheels. How many sides does the shape below have? So again, we'd start our starting point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides. And this shape, from our knowledge, is called a pentagon. Pent means 5. It says here, next question, how many sides do the shapes below have altogether? So we need to do, this is a triangle, because you've got 1, 2, 3. So this has got 3 sides. This is a circle. A circle has 1 curved side. And this here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This shape is a hexagon. We need to add all these 3 digits together, because they want to know how many sides you've got all together. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 plus 6, so add 6 onto 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So together they have 10 sides. And now we're going to complete this table here. This is an oval, not a circle, this is an oval. How many straight sides does it have? It has 0. It has 1 curved side that goes all, it's continuous, goes all the way around continuously. This here is a square. How many straight sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Curved sides, 0. We're now going to look at vertices. Vertices is a posh way of saying corners. So where 2 lines meet, that's what a vertice. Vertices are corners. Okay. So it's already on this shape. It's giving us how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to have a look. If we take a starting corner. Okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've already counted that one, so it's got 6. And the name of the shape, a 6-sided shape, is called a hexagon. This is a, so number of sides here, we've got 1, 2, 3. Number of vertices, start there, we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got number of vertices, so this is a, because it's 3 sides, this is a triangle. it says here, tick the odd one out. So here we're looking at the vertices, so how many corners there are on each shape, and we'll see which one's the odd one out. So we start here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C is the odd one out because it has one more vertex than the other two that have both got 4 vertices. Match the shape to the correct number of vertices, so the correct number of corners. So here, this, as we can see, this is quite nice what they've done here. You can see this is the same shape. We'll just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A matches 5. B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B and 4. Just double check that this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it matches. Last question here. Name the shape. I have one more vertex than a pentagon. Now, a pentagon. If you go to your additional resource, you will know that a pentagon has 5 sides. So we're trying to find, name the shape that has one more vertex. So one more vertex means one more corner. So looking at the one that has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's cannot be it because we're after one more. And remember, we're after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has 6. So this is hexagon. This is the shape that has one more vertex than a pentagon, hexagon. Before you do the tile sheets as well, there's going to be a bit more practice on IXL, so please do that. You need to answer 10 questions first, then do the tile sheets, and there's some more extra practice at the end of your video as well on IXL, which I'd like you to do as well. Best of luck.